If your website is attracting traffic but repelling premium clients, this video will explain exactly why. And it has nothing to do with your expertise, your pricing, or your offer. What's actually happening is far more subtle. Your website is quietly signaling something you never intended, and premium buyers are reading it instantly. Because high-level clients don't browse, they scan for cues. They decide in seconds whether you feel credible, restrained, and worth engaging, or whether they should quietly exit and never come back. And the frustrating part? Most founders never realize it's happening. Here's the truth most people don't want to hear. Premium clients aren't leaving because your work isn't good enough. They're leaving because your presentation doesn't protect your value. Every visual decision on your site is either reinforcing authority or eroding it. Things like overcrowded layouts, over-explaining everything, too many fonts fighting for attention, friendly colors that accidentally signal entry level, buttons everywhere, asking people to do 5 things instead of 1. None of these scream cheap. But together, they quietly lower perceived value. And premium buyers are extremely sensitive to this. They're not looking for enthusiasm. They're looking for composure. They're not looking for volume. They're looking for clarity. They're not impressed by how much you say. They're impressed by what you don't need to explain. This is why so many brilliant consultants and experts feel stuck. They think the problem is marketing, or leads, or visibility. So they post more, add more pages, explain more, offer more bonuses, and the site becomes even noisier. But premium clients don't respond to noise. They respond to signal. Signal looks like restraint. It looks like intentional spacing. It looks like confidence in a single, clear pathway. It looks like a brand that doesn't chase attention, because it doesn't need to. Here's a reframe that changes everything. Your website is not a brochure. It's not a resume. And it's definitely not a place to prove yourself. Your website is a filter. Its job is not to convince everyone. Its job is to attract the right people and quietly repel everyone else. When it tries to do too much, it does the opposite. This is why we see the same pattern over and over with our clients. They come in saying, "I know I'm good at what I do, but something feels off." And they're right. Because when your website lacks visual hierarchy, strategic restraint, and a clear conversion path, it creates subconscious friction. Premium clients feel it, even if they can't name it. They hesitate, they scroll, they leave, and you never know why. This is exactly what we address inside our VIP strategy days. In a single focused day, we identify the specific visual and structural signals on your site that are quietly lowering perceived value, and we redesign the experience so your expertise finally reads at the level it deserves. No months of back and forth, no guessing, no redesign chaos. Just clarity, structure, and a website that supports premium positioning instead of undermining it. And if you're looking for deeper, sustained support, not just for your site, but for your entire business ecosystem, that's what our signature program is built for. We don't just fix visuals. We align identity, offers, messaging, and structure so everything works together, calmly, coherently, and profitably. Because premium brands don't feel busy. They feel inevitable. And if you're earlier in the process, or you simply want a faster, lighter lift, our website template shop gives you pre-built foundations that already encode these principles. They're designed to remove decision fatigue, not add to it. So you're not starting from a blank canvas, wondering why nothing converts. Here's the key thing I want you to take away. If your website feels like it's working against you, it probably is. Not because you did something wrong, but because no one ever taught you how premium perception actually works. The good news is, this is fixable, often faster than you think. And when your site finally reflects your authority, clients stop hesitating. They stop asking for justification. They stop shopping around. They either lean in or step aside. And that's exactly how it should be. If you're ready for a website that attracts premium clients, instead of quietly pushing them away, choose the path that fits where you are right now. Our VIP strategy days for fast, decisive clarity, our signature program for full alignment and scale, or the template shop for a clean, credible foundation that already speaks the right language. Your expertise is already there. Now it's time your website stopped arguing with it.